Molaho. If LDPlayer graphics look broken, a black screen, flickering, textures not loading, or weird glitches, yeah, that's a graphics rendering issue. It usually comes from the wrong graphics mode, driver problems, or settings conflicts. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer graphics rendering issues step by step in 2026. Let's start. First, restart your PC. After restarting, don't open other apps. Launch LDPlayer alone. This clears temporary graphics conflicts that can cause rendering bugs. Now open LDPlayer and click the gear icon on the right side to open settings. This is the most important step. Go to the graphics or advanced tab and change the rendering mode. If it's on OpenGL, switch to DirectX. If it's already on DirectX, switch to OpenGL. One of these almost always fixes broken graphics. After changing the graphics mode, fully close LDPlayer and open it again. If you don't restart, the new rendering engine won't load correctly. Yeah, this part matters. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a huge cause of rendering issues, even if games work fine outside the emulator. Go back to settings and lower the resolution to 720p. Set DPI around 240. High resolution and DPI can break textures or cause black screens on some systems. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. These options can cause flickering, texture bugs, or crashes, especially after updates. Finally, make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. If it's disabled, LDPlayer may fall back to unstable rendering paths, which causes visual glitches. And that's it. After these steps, LDPlayer graphics should render correctly without glitches or black screens. If this helped, save it and check out the other LDPlayer fix guides on the channel. See you next time.